Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we got a very exciting drive for y'all. We're going up to Irish Town. I understand there's like 350 curves on this road to Irish Town. So people, we're going to have a lot of curves.
Because, you know, it's rock. They have to cut me.
Yeah. Oh, look at that road. Woo, the Miracle Coast or Miracle Circle or... Oh, dear, sweetie. What suddenly got to you?
I don't know.
I think your orneriness got to you. I think that your orneriness. You know what ornery is?
No.
That's when you're too feisty for your own good. Wow, I love this road so far.
Look how it just goes up.
You know? Look at it. And then down here, we got not much water coming down right now.
No, but you can imagine when rain falling.
Oh, can you imagine? That would be so cool.
Yeah. And see some water. Oh, I see some guy go over there with bike.
See a man with a goat too?
Yeah. A man, it was two white guys still. And a black guy. They go over there with bike.
You mean on a video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not right now you didn't.
No.
Okay.
It's right here.
Mm-hmm.
They go way down under there to push the bike.
Madge loves to watch YouTube, and so do I. That's how we got into YouTube. We watched so much YouTube and saw so much neat stuff. And we're just like, let's just start YouTube and see how that goes, because we do exciting stuff too that people might enjoy. And it turns out people enjoy it. And you know what, sweetie? A little bit over 500 more subscribers and we're going to hit 10,000.
Well,
so people, be sure and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Yes.
how people think of to...
Oh, this is beautiful down in here.
How people think of to really make house here for sale?
I need to drive slow. I don't know why I'm driving so fast.
Because you have this habit now of driving fast. I don't know.
Yes, isn't that terrible? But now when I say I'm going to drive not so fast, then I don't have much of a view.
This is up here for sale. I don't know how people think of coming this place to make house, start to live or so, So, wonder where that road that goes straight.
I don't know. I guess that guy that was turning there realized he was making the wrong turn too. And I've got my...
Well, I hope you're
I've got my
right
GPS.
turn.
I've got the GPS on.
But even though you have your GPS, it could tell you...
Okay, well, I hope I'm making the right turn then, because how else would I know if I can't go by my GPS?
Yeah, but I could take you into this school.
Yeah, this morning, people on the way, we had to go to an appointment this morning, a doctor's appointment, and on the way, the GPS said that Constant Springs Road was too busy, so it said go this other way. So we went this other way, and then it suddenly changed again, and it said go into Immaculate Conception Schoolyard. And I'm like, what? That can't be right. I said, well, maybe. I said, no, but it shows it can go out the other end. So about the time I'm trying to go out the other end, I found out that GPS is wrong. You can't go out the other end. So we had to turn around and go back. But the whole time it kept telling us to do a U-turn and go back through the other end, which we couldn't do because it was closed. But anyway, so GPS can lead you astray.
Oh, you have some nice office down here.
So if you're coming to Jamaica, yeah, those are pretty down there. If you're coming to Jamaica, sound horn, proceed slowly. There. Yeah, coming to Jamaica and you're going to do your own driving, just be aware that sometimes the GPS will lead you astray. And just like Madge is saying, are you sure you're going the right way?
Yeah.
To go up to Irish Town. And she said, well, be sure you are. I don't know how to be sure I am other than just stop and ask somebody, because according to GPS, I'm going the right way. Now, I was thinking, our viewers and subscribers may at some point wish I did a video going down, because obviously I'm doing a video going up and maybe you can't see some of the same things.
Yeah, we're not going down.
But you know what? When I'm going down, even today, I'll just do another video. I'll just do another video, But I wasn't going to turn back there, but the reason I did is I saw a sign for that blue cafe, and that blue cafe is, I think, the one we're going to end up going to. But I see just, kind of some trash along here. junk cars and stuff.
Yeah, see. Well, if we could go over these places, wow, if we could go over these places, wow. It is so deep.
You do the sightseeing.
Wow, it is so deep.
You know, you do the sightseeing. I'm going to do the driving. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This road is dangerous.
Well, that car that had kind of missed the turn back there, he's behind me now, so he backed up and took the corner. Well, if they count every little yaw and squale along in here, I don't know, those are words, I just made those up, people.
Because I don't know what it
You never heard of such words? Squall and squale?
Squall is like shower of rain, we'll call it a little
Okay,
squall.
well, it's a word I just made up to apply to the situation of every little ripple in the road here. If they count every little ripple in the road as a curve.
And you have road go down.
Look at that. I wonder what goes down there.
Maybe there's maybe house or some place down there. It takes a lot of money to be doing all these wall.
Man. Oh, there's one for rent. Let's rent up here.
Yeah, I say place to for sale too. You pass the sign place for sale.
You really, I don't know. When we drive back down, and we'll do a different video for that. I'm not so sure we'll really be able to see so much going down. See, if you look back behind us, you really can't see much. But maybe as we get higher, that'll change. It's not really that steep.
No.
I say as suddenly,
Not really that.
I'm going to wish I had some gum to chew, and so I don't. You got any gum for us to chew, sweetie?
No, don't buy any
Oh, that's
gum,
too
it's fine.
bad. 'Cause our ears are going to... The ground kind of looks dried out a little bit. Do you see that? Well, you see what I'm seeing? Or
Garbage kills, don't dump.
you see how the ground looks so dry? Kind of looks dry to you? Welcome to Jam Rock.
I do. I don't know where the Jam Rock. Your cars.
Yeah, well, like I said, there's about 350 of them.
Yeah.
I saw something, I forget which website. Might have been Strawberry Hill. Strawberry Hill is up here, people. And I understand it's a real popular destination for brunch on Sundays from like noon till 3 o'clock. But it's like 45 US per plate, so it's not exactly cheap. Or maybe it's 25. No, I think it was 45. Some crazy amount. But
There's been plenty of things.
you know, it's popular. But someday maybe we do that. But that's a lot of money to spend on brunch. So, and their regular meals are kind of pricey. I looked at their menu, and so while we'd kind of like to go there,
Look at these bamboos, so they
isn't that cool?
all nice, all sunny.
Wow.
Why is people don't want to come up here to live so out of, this split? I don't know. But, the people who have money, they love to live away.
Yeah. Don't talk so soft. Don't act like you're a little baby. Get bold. Act like you're feisty, mad, like you were the other day, talking about those hustlers.
Those what?
Those hustlers?
Oh, because I was really mad about it,
Oh, you were fired up. You were fired up.
Really mad about
But it's good to lift your voice, because sometimes I have a hard time getting your voice recovered out of the noise from the road and the fan.
Up here is very nice still, and it's nice.
Yeah, yeah.
But I would want to live up here because
Why?
Because the location, you know.
That's why people do want to live up here, because of the location, though.
Oh, they want to be away from everybody else.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And there's only certain people gonna be living here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because to me, a house here is not cheap. And they have a lot of like Airbnb and so on and so forth.
Oh, I was going to look and see how long I've been recording, but I can't really go by that because, remember, I'm going to cut out all that beginning part from when we were at your from where we left your doctor's appointment.
Yeah.
I'm going to just cut all that out because the traffic was really heavy coming out of town. And I knew you all would be bored, so I'm just going to cut that out of there.
But the road is pretty good still.
Yeah, but there's places it's pretty much just one lane.
Yeah.
Because some of the rocks have been washed down from the... Ooh, look at this!
Is that lookout place? This
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Whoa! I'm going to drive slow here so our people can get a nice view.
Yeah, because you can...
Because my one camera will get a nice view of that, I think. Yeah. Dangerous corner ahead. Oh, that's why it's a dangerous corner ahead. And everybody's in the same lane.
It's steering down.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah,
Oh, they have star apple and something. But they're gonna sell it expensive.
They have what up there?
They have star apples, but they're gonna be expensive. Because like up here, so, you know, it's not like...
Yeah. I'm just surprised how the you know, from where we're used to living and seeing, everything is so bright green. Here, see how it's kind of getting like everything is kind of dying off?
No, well...
Just because of the time of year and the...
It's the time, because what season are we going into now?
We're getting ready to go to spring, so I guess everything's going to be turning now, but...
Some things just getting back some leaves and...
Yeah. But we'll come do this again when you know, but I saw somebody else's video from in here, or maybe it was the photographs. I thought, that doesn't look so bright green like some of the places we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you look at the dirt's not quite so dark. So just kind of a little bit different ecosystem or whatever.
Look here, it's dangerous.
Wow. You know, and if you're going to go down there, you better know where the road is, because once you start going, it's too late. It's too late to decide, oh, the road's really over there a little bit. Wow.
The road up here is not bad at all.
No, it's not bad. There's a few little spots.
Yeah.
But
this place... You know, I used to have that, it's a smoked salmon. They use it, they call it...
Oh, you have that board that you're supposed to put your salmon on in the oven to smoke it or something. Well, go ahead and tell me what you're telling me about smoked salmon.
I used to like it with, what is it? This kind of like...
You lost your train of thought?
Yeah.
Or you can't think of the word? You got that there's some smoked salmon on the menu for this place, this little blue cafe.
No, when I was in the States, I used to like...
Oh, look at the little 11 miles to Kingston. There's the 11-mile marker there. Everything's in kilometers here, you know, on the signs, but you have the little mile post there and miles still.
Bagel and locks. You know what bagel and locks?
Bagel and locks?
Yeah.
I know what bagel is.
Yes, and locks, because
What
it's
are
smoked salmon, and you open the bagel, smoked salmon, and is it mayonnaise or sour cream, something you put there, and then you put
it on a bagel,
and then you put some not
oh, look at that view over there, people. Oh, I went too fast.
And I used to like it.
You used to like it, huh?
Yeah.
Well, maybe that's what they'll have today, and you'll get to reintroduce what you liked today. You reintroduce yourself to it. Oh, look at that view. And we're not even up here yet, people. This is a windy road. It's the kind of road that y'all can just sit back and relax, just watch. You don't have to work real hard at watching. Just try not to get dizzy.
Because it's like a tourist here, things
Uh-huh.
gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I was reading you the price on stuff. It's not exactly cheap. Not exactly cheap, but you know,
it's not so bad, but
no. Well, it much higher if we went over to Strawberry Hill. But Strawberry Hill is very exotic. It's an exotic venue.
Wedding to one of those things go on.
Yeah, you know, and Strawberry Hill is where Bob Marley went when they were trying to kill him and all that. That's where he went.
Oh, I didn't.
So I think it's maybe here. I want to kind of go real slow right here for the view. Hopefully, the car's not tipped too much. Uh-oh. I have my back window still down and I had them open to cool the car earlier. Woo!
Oh, for that house down
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Some Airbnb or something.
You know, it's pretty here, the flowers. Oh, look at that house. That blue house.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It's like just 3-story.
12 miles from Kingston.
The vehicle that was coming, it maybe stop? I don't
know. I don't know what the deal was. If he took a different turn or
maybe took a different turn.
Maybe we're not on the right road. Don't know. I think we're on the right road. Look at this. Ooh, I want to look, but I'm afraid to get too close to the edge to look. Plus, I need to be driving, not looking, so that you can look.
If you're gonna look, you try and...
I just stop.
Yeah.
Just stop and look.
Just slow down.
Yeah.
It's like we are in the middle of the mountain.
We are?
We're way up because it's mountain over there. So
we're way up high. Look.
Yeah.
Look. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what's that lake down there, I wonder? See that lake down there? Right there. That's Mona Lake or whatever.
I don't, maybe. The Mona Dam?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Berry Hill Road.
Some sport complex.
Well, some sort of a...
Some big place up there.
Some big place to each side here.
Over that side.
Mm-hmm.
Look, this tree are there.
Well, the reason I got the idea to come up here, one of our viewers made a comment about coming to Bermuda Mount. And so I googled Bermuda Mount, and it's near where this is all at. That we're going today.
Okay.
That's what got me interested in the area. Now, I'm not sure we're going to go to Bermuda Mount, and maybe that's actually a neighborhood I can drive to. Although, the way that they showed it made me think that the Bermuda Mount was maybe a gated place I wouldn't be able to get into.
Industrial road.
So, Bamboo Lodge. There's a lot of fancy, rich development up in here now.
Yeah.
We're getting into.
Yeah. People think that come to this place to live.
Here's the Eats Cafe, but E-I-T-S instead of E-A-T-S.
Mm-hmm.
Eats. I don't get it.
That's supposed to be the name of some.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And this is what?
Iron Gate.
People love to come to these little out of...
Oh, I wouldn't mind coming up and staying in one of these.
Yeah.
But I was looking at that Strawberry Hill, and it's a little bit out of my budget for spending the night there.
Yeah, hideouts, you know.
Anyway, this Mount place, this Bermuda Mount, I'm not sure how to get to it because where it showed it was at, and then there's a road, I guess, that's called that maybe.
And someone would want you to go there.
And I'm not necessarily going to get there today. I apologize about that, but it got me interested in the area, so we can come back and make another trip up here too. Another time, and maybe catch some things. It's kind of an investigative tour today, people. We don't know exactly what we're going to find, and we don't know what to expect, but we just will have the cameras rolling while we're doing it, while we're investigating.
Look at this part. This is it. Sorry.
Oh, that's for sale. Yeah. As long as we're coming up here, we just will investigate and as long as we're coming up here to investigate, we're going to just go ahead and run the cameras so you all can see what we're seeing and enjoy it right along with us. And there's some things to enjoy.
Irishtown.
This is Irishtown. Okay, the Irishtown pub. They seem to be closed right now, though. And there's the Strawberry Hill sign. There's somebody behind me. Probably wishes I'd go faster, but it's not going to happen while I go past a garbage truck here.
If you can, the person passed.
Yeah. If he wants to.
Those people have business,
All little stands and stuff.
Look how they're driving fast. Look how they're driving so fast. So.
Well,
Kingdom Hall of Jehovah Witnesses. Church up here too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big community.
Well, the church is small, but it's you got a community up here.
So you would live up here?
I couldn't afford to, but other than that, I would.
Security Adventist Church.
Okay. Let your senses take you there. Okay.
So, what if, because maybe some of these people who, like the poor people who live up here.
There's a place right here.
That's the place?
Yeah. So we reached.
And it's the same place we're going to, it seems.
The
car that passed us.
Yeah. So I'm going to come up here and maybe go a little further and then turn around and kind of wrap up our video. And then, depending on what we see in there, I don't know if we'll necessarily do a video inside there. Although we could, I guess. Our viewer and subscriber would probably be upset if we didn't. But I'm just going to follow this road a little further, just see where it leads us. Because it's kind of getting pretty. You know, earlier I was saying how everything looked kind of like the earth wasn't very good earth, and things weren't real green. Well, the earth doesn't look any more green, but the earth doesn't look any more red.
Look at that star tree, the star planet, the ones that green.
But yeah, this is definitely turning more. There's more green up in here, sweetie, isn't it?
Yes.
And then there's this Eat Cafe. Strawberry Hill. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to turn towards Strawberry Hill, people. I don't know how far I can get or how that'll go, but that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, I'm doing the Nook.
The Nook.
The Nook come cries. Then you have Strawberry Hill. About the first time. Oh,
I thought there was somehow the end of the road, but it's not. Which, it couldn't be the end of the road. Oh, this is quite a bit higher than that little blue cafe that we were going to stop at.
I can't believe they really make people really make houses in these places. I cannot believe this look like some
of these are like just little gatehouses.
Stop
dead end. I don't quite understand how that could be a stop dead end up there.
That's what this song is saying. So maybe that get something. Well, this house in the bushes, but no, they don't. So maybe big more houses there because this is like a security place here.
Yeah, that's maybe where you enter or something. For Strawberry Hill, I don't know.
No, remember there was another road. It was another road. Somebody come out just look.
Yeah. Hi. Oh, to the hotel. What about the restaurant? Can you go to the restaurant without going to the hotel? You just go to the same place? Oh, okay. Okay. We're not going to go today. We're just driving around. So we knew where it was, but I saw the dead end sign. I'm like, wait a minute. I didn't know we passed it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Yeah.
Also, she's in there. Okay. Strawberry Hotel. It's so out of the way, yeah?
Yeah.
Private. Hideout.
Isn't that something?
They fence up this much. Fence out because somebody else or them fence.
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't have my GPS going to Strawberry Hill. I just had my GPS going to that restaurant. So I was just kind of driving, you know. Otherwise, I would have probably realized that's where I needed to be, but maybe I wouldn't have realized.
No, because it
looked desolate. It didn't look like anybody was there, but then she must have.
She was in that little house.
She was in that little house and saw us come by.
So maybe this road maybe go up further.
Yeah, there's some more houses or something up there. That might just be a private residence up there. Or the road may. I'd have to look here.
Turn.
Let's see here. No, it just goes to a house right there as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm not using my regular map today, people. Because we're not really house touring, we're just driving. Which is fine, we don't have to always just do pure house tours, we can just do driving tours, you know.
Hotel and spa. Strawberry.
Okay. And then sometime we'll go up that road a ways, but let's go back and grab something to...
You have coffee. There's more coffee.
Oh yeah, there's some coffee plantations and stuff, because we're actually in the Blue Mountains now,
we're in the Blue Mountains.
We're not in the national park.
There's a lot of pine growing in the mountain, like how you'd have it in Colorado. Look.
Oh yeah?
Pines. There's a lot of pines.
Oh, I see, sweetie. Look at them. Yeah. But they're that one kind of pine that's got the... Look at it, how much pine, I can't believe. Oh, yes.
Yes, and they're those pine that got the what?
They're like the wispy.
See them all over the place.
There's a lot of them up in there. They're kind of a wispy looking thing.
And I tell you will find too maybe that raspberry grow up here. Because up where Shelly's from, there is place up there where raspberry and Alwyn said he pick a raspberry up there eat. Wait, that it grow wild, you know? This is some place with a sign like it's a coffee place.
Okay, well let me pull over here. And see about going to this place. I don't want to squish him in. I mean, walk
that in. They're ready to come out.
Yeah. Okay, people. Let's go ahead and wrap this up, sweetie.
Wrap it up.
Yeah. Thanks, viewers and subscribers, for joining us on this exciting journey. This will be a nice little journey, you know. And I'll go ahead.
Coming here.
Yes. I'll go ahead and I'm going to take the cameras down, you know, and we'll go in there and relax. We don't want to feel pressured to hurry while we're there. I want to enjoy the experience here. And I'm not even sure yet if I'm going to take a camera up in there with me, although
we can
we probably should. I should probably just take this one on a little tripod.
Yeah.
You know what? I didn't bring my little tiny tripod. Well, I didn't come very prepared. I've got all that stuff I brought.
Yeah. That red flower is there. What? It look like the one that we saw when we...
Oh, yeah. Anyway, let's say goodbye. Let's be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe, our viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Help us on the road to 10,000. We'll soon be there. In fact, who knows? We might be there. This is probably the video that'll get us over the top right here. This will probably be the one that get us over the top. I believe it will be. If you all, do your thing and help us for doing our thing. Anyway, bless up yourself, big up yourself, later, and
amen.
Amen.